Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial, and still on typography. We're going to learn this new technique. I'm sorry for the buffer, but everything will be like this. So let's jump right in. Okay, first of all, we'll open a new project, open a new composition. Let's name it waves. Let's call it fish so that you'll remember. Then ensure 1920 by 1080, duration 10 seconds. You can put whatever seconds you want. Okay, then let's use our type tool. Type in hello space, then hello, then let's increase the scale of something like that. Center it. Let's increase it again like that. I think that's fine. Center it again, then ensure the anchor point is on the middle. Just click on Control Alt Home. After that, let's pre-compose this layer. Pre-compose, call it part A. Okay, then open this pre-composed layer. Then let's make a few settings here. Just click outside and Control K to open the composition settings. Then let's change these settings. For the height, let's reduce it to something like 270. I think 270 will do. Then click OK. Then let's use a direction tool. Double click on it, then select these ones, copy them and paste them on the layer still. Just paste, Control V, click again here, space, Control V to paste. I've pasted my hello 6 times. Then click on it and click on and look for the position keyframe. After selecting the position keyframe, while at your first frame, let's drag this. Let's drag it to the first keyframe. Let's drag it so it starts at this point. So at this point, let's put a keyframe on the position, then move to the end of the frames and drag this on back. Hold shift to ensure that you are at the center. Let's drag it, sorry for that, let's drag it up to the end. Just drag it while holding shift so the end is at this place. After that, let's ease these layers, these keyframes. Keyframe assistant ease. Then let's click on this hello, or let's play it and see what we have. Play. So we have this beautiful motion. So after that, click on it, then go to the character panel and let's color it to black, the text. After that, click outside here, then use the shape tool and draw the rectangle here. After that, close this one and drag it below the halo layer. So this is what we have. Then switch back to your original composition and you'll find this. So with that, let's click on it and go to effects and search for the wrap effect. The wrap effect usually allows distortion in multiple ways. So you can see we have the arc, the arch. For us, we'll use the fish. So let's set it at 70. That's nice. Let's color it, the original layer, let's color it red. So let's duplicate this, Control D. Let's put that at blue. After duplicating it, let's change the duplicated layer to wave. No, sorry, to flag. After that, the flag layer, just drag it below smoothly and nicely there. Then duplicate the flag layer again, Control D, change the bend to -70 and drag it above. I think that's fine. Then for the original layer, click on it and duplicate it. Let's recolor it to orange and drag it. Nope. Change the bend to -70. Select it and drag it above these layers smoothly and yes, there. Then select it again, duplicate it, change it to, drag it to the bottom of these layers. Use your shift key to ensure it's straight. Then in that case we are done. So just drag this out and preview your animation. So for those who are new to this channel, kindly subscribe for more of these tutorials. Let's put it at 3rd so that it can move faster, can render faster. So this is what we are aiming at. With this information, you can create such typography. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. See you later.